I just got home from university and I thought I'll make a very healthy sauerkraut soup. I think it's Lithuanian, but I'm not sure. However, I grew up eating this and I think it's very tasty, also very healthy, and it's very easy to make. Let's get cooking. I don't honestly think that it's very interesting to see when people chop the vegetables and stuff, so I'll just go through what I have here. I have some peppers, bell leaves, I don't know what it's called, then this, and onions, 2 potatoes, and 1 carrot, and of course the main and secret ingredient, sauerkraut. Homemade. I'm not a good cook, so let's just go with fast forward mode. And always when I'm cooking or doing something in the kitchen that takes time, I will always watch a movie, or right now I'm actually watching Jack Fresco and his Venus project. He's talking about depression and it's very interesting. He's a very smart man, and right now, as you can see, the water is boiling. Oh. So all we gotta do is to put, when everything is boiling, we'll just have to, it's not that easy to do with one hand. Okay, so as the water is boiling, we'll add sauerkraut and just, we'll see how much. I love sauerkraut, even though I shouldn't eat it. I'm just eyeballing with everything. Whenever I'm making food, I'll just have one main ingredient, which is at the moment sauerkraut, and then I'll just add whatever I want. Oh yeah, smells delicious. It looks so bland, just like my personality. Oh, but the smell is amazing. As if university doesn't make me depressed enough, I'll just drink some tea and watch Jack Fresco talk about depression.
Because to see the Republican point of view, they never accept alcohol. That's a dependency that makes you feel like you lose your identity under alcohol. Say, did I say that when I was drunk? Because you don't even know what you said. That means you don't have your own identity.
So I'm done watching Jack Fresco, or whatever his name is. I'm really bad at pronouncing stuff, as you might already know, but the main point is that this soup is done. And maybe it doesn't look like soup, but it's what I call it. And let's taste it. Oh my god, smells like God's food. Cheap God's food, because we're balling on the student money. I don't know how about you, but I don't know if any of the students are watching my videos, but here in Sweden I do get money for studying, but it's very small amount of money because everything is expensive, so you gotta work with what you have. But here is our soup. Perfect. It has this sour taste. And a bit of the heat because
We're getting wild with the seasonings tonight.
Fam, that's salt.
I know, it's so spicy.
although I'm very sensitive to spicy food, so maybe it's nothing in it. I'm just imagining stuff. But it's good, it's really good. If you want to make this tastier, just put meat or meat substitute, maybe mushrooms. Use your imagination, and I would strongly suggest use sour cream because it will make the taste more mild. I don't know how to explain it. It will taste a lot better, but it's good as it is. While I'm eating this, I'll just go do my homework now.